Here's a 2018 Audi Q5. This is a luxury crossover with incredible beauty and technology inside and out. You'll look forward to every drive with features like these: intercooled turbo inline 4-cylinder engine, gas pressurized shocks, integrated navigation system with voice activation, power heated mirrors, front heated leather bucket seats, configurable instrument gauges, Bluetooth streaming audio, auto dimming mirrors, dual zone climate control, auto dimming rear view mirror, and auto shift manual transmission. Motor Trend finds rougher stretches of road do little to upset the chassis, which has a fantastic mix of control and comfort. When you drive an Audi, the design and the performance make sure you stand out in a crowd. Hurry in today for a test drive.
Thank you for looking at this quality pre-owned vehicle from Audi Cary, a Leith dealership. We're located at 600 Auto Park Boulevard in Cary, North Carolina.